Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your Roberts Beacon 330 Bluetooth speaker to another device. So right now this is paired to my phone here, and every time I turn it on it's going to automatically connect to here. So it doesn't allow me to connect to here. Let me just show you that. If I turn it on here, automatically it will connect here. There we go, connected to here. So it won't allow me to connect to this one here. In order to connect to here, it's easy to do. All we have to do is hold down the Bluetooth button here for a few seconds. It will alert you via a sound. It will disconnect from here and start flashing, and then we can connect it onto here. So I'm holding down the Bluetooth button now. It's made that sound there. The light's flashing. We're no longer connected here, and we are going to be able to connect to here. So I'm just going to tap it here. And now we've connected here. You can see it's connected. So that is it. Now every time we turn this off and back on again, it's going to connect to the last known device, which is this one here. But we can still connect it to here very easily. So turn it on. And there we go, we're now connected. To connect it back onto the phone, it's really easy to. All we have to do is find your Bluetooth devices on your new device and just hit the I one there and just go to disconnect. That will now disconnect it, and then on your previous device you just need to connect there, and you can see now it's connected up. And every time we turn this off and on again, it's going to connect to the last known device, which will be the phone. So that's it, that's how to connect it up to a new Bluetooth device. Thanks for watching.